Introduce features interest for CROWNFUL Mini Waffle Maker Machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose CROWNFUL Mini Waffle Maker Machine. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. CROWNFUL Mini Waffle Maker is designed in Italy. You can enjoy making classic waffles and a variety of delicious breakfasts in a few minutes. Mix it with your favorite egg, grilled cheese, hash browns, biscuit pizzas, panini, cookies, and etc. This is great for families and busy people. Simply plug it in and preheat the waffle iron machine. When the indicator light shuts off, you can start cooking. It has dual-sided non-stick surfaces for cooking that heats quickly and is easy to clean. Worried about nowhere to store waffle cone maker? The CROWNFUL Mini Waffle Maker has a 4-inch mini cute body size that can be stored easily. It won't take up a lot of space and perfect fit for any kitchen cabinet, apartment, drawer, dorm, and camper/RV. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.